you're either lying or you're a bit mental, because it's so tricky. And particularly say with all that corner cutting, particularly the Westwood stage, where they've, from what I can get, they've made a bit of a mess of in some of the junctions because they ran it last night. But just generally, as you were saying there to Matt, this situation where it's been very wet for a long time, farmers have been putting the crops into the field, they've been dragging all the dirt out and things like that, so it's not going to be easy. And I think if it's wet, at least you got that consistency. If it was dry and then you had a little bit of a puddle,
and it's a community benefit as well, you know. A lot of the car parks will be run by the local YFC and the local clubs and the scouts, so a lot of people benefit from today. So let's hope to enjoy all day, and let's hope we have a great bit of grand rally.
Rallying, you can't not be happy. So yeah, really looking forward to today. The roads are going to change quite drastically from this morning to the afternoon with all the mud pulled out of all the cars as we train our way through it. So it's just a case of keeping the head down this morning and just trying to get on with ourselves and stick to what the preparation we've done, and that's part of the plan.
What about last night? Did you enjoy it?
Oh yeah, there was some mega stages. They could 3 and 4 could have been done with being run again.
Next up is number 13. And I'm going to sing this light-heartedly. It's old Kevin Proctor. Oh, yeah, I'm alright, not as good as you.
It'd be a bit like the Glen Road on Mull, wouldn't it? Where, you know, when you go up that narrow bit at the top,
Yeah.
it's like the same